Hi there guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a histogram on Google Sheets. First of all, so basically it's really simple and easy so you can follow along with me. First of all, you want to make sure that all your numbers for your data is going to be on column A. Not on column B, not on column C, not on all three of them. Only and only column A. I have all my numbers lined up here. Now I'm going to add my title. So I have all my numbers here. Now I'm going to need to add my titles. I'm going to press this one box, and then I'm going to press insert, and then I'm going to press row above. Now I have another row up here. So I'm going to press on this box here, and I'm going to put my title. So it's going to be minutes used to make a histogram on sheets. Alright, now I'm going to highlight all my numbers, including my title. Now, normally I would just highlight only column A, but since my title is stretching out all the way to column C, I'm going to highlight all three of these, like that. Let go, not going to touch anything else except for this button I'm going to show you here. So now you're going to press this insert chart button. I'm going to click on that, and there we go. Our chart has appeared right here. Now, if a histogram hasn't appeared, you're just going to press on chart type. You're going to scroll all the way down to other, and you're going to press this histogram chart. Now, if you want to make yours pretty and all, before you do that, you have got to change one thing. You're going to click on chart and axis titles. You're going to click on this, and you're going to click on vertical axis title. So I'm going to write number of people for mine. So now over here, this has appeared, number of people. It didn't have that before. Now if you don't want this, you don't have to do it. So I'm going to make mine a little prettier. I'm going to make this bold. The text has gone bold. I'm going to change the color to, let's say, purple. Alright, you can also change the title font size, but I want mine's this like auto. I like it auto, so I'm not going to change that. And if I want to, this horizontal axis, if I want to come here and change this part, I'm going to change this to only minutes used because that's just the title. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to make that bold, and I'm going to change the colors to pink. Perfect. Now I'm going to go to chart title, and I'm going to make this bold. Actually, no, I'm not going to make this bold. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to choose Tahoma. I don't know how to pronounce that, sorry. Now I'm going to change the color to black. Going to make this aligned in the middle. Will it look good in bold? No, I don't like it in bold. Alright, so that's good enough. I'm going to close that part, and then I'm going to go to, oh yeah, by the way, if you have a legend appear, because like if you have more numbers, you're going to have a legend appear. So now you only have like one piece of data, like not one piece, like you have different datas, but they're all the same kind of, if you get what I mean. So you're going to go to legend, and then you're going to go to this, and you're going to click on none if it has appeared for you, but for me it hasn't, so I'm just going to keep it auto. But if you do want a legend, you can add one. Okay, you'll have options if you want to insert one at the top, and over here it's going to appear right here. That's a legend. If you want it to appear on the bottom, it's going to appear on the bottom. If you want it to appear on the left, it's going to appear on the left. And if you want it to appear on the right, it's going to appear on the right. And it can also appear inside like that. But I'm not going to want a legend for mine. That's only when you have more different pieces of data. Alright, anyway. Now, if I want to change the bar colors, I can go to, I forgot, it was chart style. Now we can change the background color, so I'm going to click on this, and let's say, for example, I want to change it to yellow. Wow, that's very bright, but I'm going to change it to orange. This orange is too dark, so I'm going to change it to this orange. It's orangish yellowish. And for the chart border color, I'm going to change that to black. This is basically the border part. And then, yeah. Then for the bar, I think you go to histogram. No, not histogram, not Jordan. Think if I go to series, yeah, series. So, you go to series and then you click on this. There's a format area. You can click on the color, and then you can change it to whatever color you like. I'm gonna be changing it to red. There we go. Perfect. You can't really change this, so you can just leave it like that. It's basically just like the title. And yeah, so if you are not like, if you just wanted it to stay how it was, this part wasn't necessary. But yeah, that's how you make a histogram on Google Sheets. And one more thing I wanted to show you: if you don't want this to appear, it has to stay there. Like, I mean, if you press backspace, there's going to be no data here. And don't worry if you did that, you can just press undo. But that's just a warning. And if you don't want this over here, you just want the graph. Graph. I don't know. Chart, whatever it's called. You can highlight all this, and then you can press the text box, and this text color changing thing, whatever. And then you can select white. And there we go. There looks like there's no text, but in reality there is text, but like it just looks like there isn't. For example, if I highlight this, like that, you can see a number. And I want mine to stay there still, so I'm gonna press undo. There we go. And now I can copy the chart, I can edit the chart, I can delete the chart, I can download the chart, I can publish the chart, I can copy the chart, I can move it to my own sheets, and I can alt text. So yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and I will see you in my next video.